What's up guys, and we're back with this project, this Ford Bronco. In today's video, we're gonna wrap this one in Satin Silk Green Chrome. So this one is going to look super amazing, so let's start with the installation for this project. Coming up right now. Okay, we have this new project and we're gonna wrap this one. We're gonna wrap only the green and we're gonna do it in Satin Silk Green Chrome. So it's gonna look super cool, but we're gonna wrap only the green color. Only the green color. This frame for the window or windshield, the doors, the fenders, quarter panels. Not this one because it has a texture. When the plastic has a texture, you cannot wrap it because it's going to lift in the future. Even if I put it, it might lift in the future. The rear door, this one, the quarter panels, and I think that's it. This side too, same thing. All right, but we're not gonna wrap this one because it has a texture too. Okay, we're gonna leave that in black. All right, so let's start with the installation. All right guys, and this is the wrap that we're going to use. It's amazing. The brand is VinylFrog. You can check them out on the website, VinylFrog.com. That's the logo. It came with two nice emblems. So the color is amazing. So when the light hits, you can see the green color, but when it's dark, it looks black. So it's going to look amazing. So let's start with installation. Cool. Okay guys, the Bronco is ready and looks amazing. The color is amazing. When the light hits, you can see it green, but when it's on the shade or on the dark, it turns like a dark green. So it looks amazing. Look at that. So the material is VinylFrog. It's Satin Silk Chrome Green. So I'm gonna put the link for everything on the description on the video down below. So this is the fenders, hood. This one was hard, especially in here, and this part, it was very hard. So, and also you have to be very careful, because if you put a lot of heat, it will turn gloss. You don't want that to on your wrap, gloss spots. Okay, so always order extra material. Don't get just the exact size. Get extra just in case of mistakes. So all the doors are done. These door handles are very hard to remove. These ones are done, but I still having a hard time to install the other ones. Let me show you this one. You can see, perfect and beautiful. All the edges, everything. That I need to put more heat in there. You can see I added a piece of vinyl in here, but I have seen other Broncos and they don't put this one, because this one hits in here and I might get a scratch. This one, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Look at this. So this one is the one having a hard time to put it on. This one, it didn't came. The owner is doing something on the door, fixing something. But as you can see, in this one it looks dark green, but when the sun hits, it looks green. Amazing. This color is super nice, super nice. Okay, so let me know guys what you think about this color. All the links, material, tools, they're gonna be in the description of the video down below. You wanna wrap like this, contact me on my website. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, put in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Like the video if you like it. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.